Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, we are playing this game called Animal Hospital. And this is a pretty popular game. See if this person will help me. Nah. How about this person? Aw. Okay. So I'm gonna cut until I get a... Wait. I'm gonna cut until I get a good lobby. Okay, we got a team. So if you don't know how to play this game, it's about treating animals in a hospital, and you're trying to survive from scary anomalies. So we have to see this person over here. This is one of the patients. We have to check him in. His name is Cone Taylor. Whose name is Cone Taylor? It's a weird name. So we do this, this, and then this, and then this. Then take badge. And then we go to room 1. This is room 1. Also, a little tip. The first patient wants herbs, and the next one wants eye drops. So, yeah. There's so much people. One takes a while. There is an upgrade we can buy to make this faster. Next, we gotta give him herbs. We got first. Someone in the chat is saying. So this is my team. That's the only other team that I can find that was actually good at the game. I'm not the best. At least they actually let me in the game instead of leaving. Faster. So we get to have shutters that get to shut the anomalies, and we have these cameras, and the cameras is also supposed to check if they're anomaly, and the pictures. Excuse me. We'll probably cut that out. What's in this box? Die. I hate the guy who keeps stealing my job. Yeah. I'm gonna say question mark. Hmm? What you mean? Hey? You're not. Let me get it first. Should I say? Should I say? Should I say? Because I'm faster. Because someone say I hate the guy who keeps stealing my job. Oh, see that? Wait, we can look at it through the window. Or we can give the IV drops to him, but that's pretty dangerous. Also, the sanity bar at the top left of your bottom left of your screen is the is the sanity bar. I can't think of anything else. What did he need? And medkit. They have to give them these things. This game is really popular right now. I have no idea why. Alright. By the way, I'm trying to edit my video so I get more views, because I barely get any views. So I'll edit my videos so they get more. I barely know how to edit and anything else. I don't know. One. Okay. Take the nice center. Martin Kobayashi. I have no idea if I'm spelling that right. Saying that right, not spelling that right. He or she needed IV drops? Yep. Okay. The doctor's arriving. And we have to keep the cameras fixed because then one of the entities will appear. And there's a stalker that usually comes here and it makes you lose your sanity if you look at him. Okay. What's this? Well, I can almost get this. I'll get this. Why not? Hey. I'm here for my appointment. That hey sounded weird. Boom. Hey, you let me in the match. Now you. Wait. I have no idea what I'm saying. Sorry, guys. And girls. What's his name? I can't. I keep moving, so it's hard to see. Let's look at him. Oh, he's gone. Where did he just go? I just saw a glimpse of the monster thingy. Coffee. I know. You don't need it. You have like... Oh, I didn't know you can inspect it. That's cool. Her name is Shirley Blue. Shirley Blue. Oh my gosh. Where's the other person when we need it? Wait, I have an idea. I have a great idea. Yeah. Now. Oh, he's a visitor. GW. Don't worry. Oh. Wait. 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 Oh, wait. He is a visitor. Visitor. Visitor? I think that. Give him the wrong tree. He is a visitor. Bruh. Let's go. Let's go. Oh. Ooh. Did not know he was a visitor. Ooh. Oh my gosh. I hate this one. Okay. Okay. This one. Come on, go faster. You're so slow. Okay. Boom. Okay. Be careful. There's also mini games that you have to do to treat the patients. Imagine it goes by one. That'd be takes so long. Oh my gosh! Die! How can you? How are you running? I thought you were hurt. I have to take a picture of that. Too weird. Ash. Glass is broken. Buddy White? What's that name? Buddy, I'm white. Don't. Yep. Oh, wait. Oh, never mind. You need coffee. Do that. By the way, if a visitor. Oh, do him. Do him. Let's go. W. Oh, take care of him. I'll take good care of him. Let's go. Yes! Done. Let's go. Oh, I already did that. There's. Oh. I'm doing them. So small. I was gonna do him. I was doing him. And I dropped. Yeah. Let's go. Alright. The video's kinda getting pretty long, so. Ooh, stalker? Nope. The video's getting pretty long, so. Bye.